Good morning student. This video on lesson number 12, what if it is finished. Here we are talking about petrol, diesel, kerosene and other oil. What happen if it will finish? That for that we understand the lesson. We will start the lesson now. A bus journey. Now some student going to on school trip to the Adla Stepwell. It also called Bauli, about 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad. It is away from Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the capital of the Gujarat. You can see here Stepwell photo of Adlaj. It is a very beautiful and famous stepwell in India. Ahmedabad, located in Gujarat, it is a capital city of the Gujarat. We began counting the vehicles on the road. They saw the road, they saw the lots of vehicles, cars, buses and everything. They are starting to counting. Some of the counted of the bicycle, other counted the buses, car and motorcycles. Now they are counting all the vehicles on the road, and Abraham, who was counting bicycle, soon got bored. There were hardly any bicycle on the highway, because we cannot see bicycle on the highway nowadays. No, we can see only bus, cars and the rickshaws and all on the road. So we cannot able to see the bicycle nowadays on the road. Mostly we can see other vehicle like bus, car, motorcycle and big buses and rickshaws. So it is hardly any bicycle on this highway we can see. Now Screech, the driver, suddenly brake at the red light, and it was a big crossing. It means zebra crossing, and we could see the traffic line up on all the side. You can see over here in the picture the many vehicles are lined up. You can see this picture, traffic picture. Then honk honk, the sound of the loud horns and smoke coming out from the vehicles. When traffic is there, you can see lots of smoke coming from the vehicles, and maybe that it is why little boy in a rickshaw was coughing too much. I smelled something familiar. I remember this smell. It come from Baba's tractor in the village. You can see the smoke is coming out from the vehicles due to the fuel. Now see, look at the picture on page number 110 and right. You have to look. First question, what are the different kind of vehicle that you can see? We can see the bus, car, motorcycle, scooter, auto rickshaw, cycle. What do you think? They needed petrol or diesel as a fuel. Cycle does not need fuel, but other vehicle shown here need petrol or diesel as a fuel. Which of the vehicle do you think give of smoke? Put a red mark on this. Bus, car, auto rickshaw, motorcycle, scooter, etc. give of a smoke. Mark all that vehicle except cycle. Which are the vehicle run without the petrol or diesel? As we know, cycle run without the petrol or diesel. Cycle did not want any fuel to run. So write your answer in front of that question, and you have to look the pictures which are given on page number 10 and answer. Now what problems do we face from the speeding vehicles? What problem do we face from the speeding vehicles? If we we can face problem if speeding vehicle, that is accident. Okay, we can face the accidents problem if we speeding the vehicles. Now tell, do you ride a bicycle? If yes, where all do you go on? You must be ride bicycle, right? So write your answer. Yes, I ride a bicycle. I use bicycle for going to school, on playing playground or market. How do you come to school? Most of the students come to school by bicycle, school bus and bike of your parents. Next question is, how do your family members go to work from home? Your father must be goes to the office for by car. Your mother goes by bus, and other parents like uncle, they must goes by rickshaw. Now next question is, what problem can we have from smoke coming out from vehicles? When smoke coming out from vehicles, no, that time it enters into the our lungs, and our lungs can be damaged. The smoke from the vehicle can causes the coughing, nausea means vomiting, headache and lung disease. Next is, what kind of problem can we face from noise of vehicles? from the noise of vehicles we can face the hearing problem, we can deaf, so this problem we can see. Now see, on the petrol pump, after some time our bus stop at a petrol pump. Okay, so after the student bus stopped on petrol pump, there was a long queue, means line. It was named as if we would have a long wait. We all got down from the bus and started looking around the petrol pump, and we saw many largest boards on the posters on the petrol pump. You can see the petrol pump picture here. You all are knowing the petrol pump, like this, that students see this poster on the petrol pump that is showing petrol and diesel will not last forever, it will be not last long, so save it for your children, save it for your next generation, make every drop go long way, switch off the engine when you stop the car at the petrol pump, and rate is also given on that poster. Now student had question here, they could not understand why that petrol, why it was written that petrol and diesel will not last forever, and they throw of asking an uncle who works at the petrol pump. They asked to that person who work at a petrol pump, and they get answer. Abraham asked to that uncle, uncle, from where do we get petrol or diesel? That uncle said, they from deep down under the ground we will get the petrol. Then Manju said, but how does it get made there? Then she asked to that uncle. Then uncle replied to her, it is formed naturally, it is not man-made, it is formed naturally and but very slowly. It is not made by the human being or the machine. We get the petrol and diesel by naturally. Then Ibrahim asked to that uncle, then we don't need to buy it, we can take it out ourselves using a borewell, like we pump out a water, we pump out a water, no, like that we can take the petrol and diesel from the borewell. It's no need to buy it, say Ibrahim said this. Then uncle say, no, it is not found everywhere, but only at a few places in our country. It is not found all in the all the world. It is found only some country. We need a big machine to pump it out and clean it. For that we need big machine, and we need to pump out that the petrol and diesel, and then after that we need to clean it. Now see student, if we haven't cleaned our house from long time, so how do we can see the dust on the floor that accumulated day by day? See, day by day, year by year in our house, not only dust but also other thing accumulated in the floor. Same like this happen in the sea. Similarly, in the ocean, lots of microorganism, living organism are present in this ocean, like dolphin, then a fish, weeds. So this kind of plants and aquatic plant and animal, when they die, they settle at the bottom, and from thousands years and lakh of years, when they settle at the bottom, no, the dust settle on that, and due to the heat and pressure, due to the heat and pressure they convert into the petroleum. In this way the petroleum produce, and by using of machine, using big machine, like you can see in this picture, that petroleum from the under the ocean, it's digging out, it is pump out from the ocean, and it will be, you can see here the black color, it is in first, it is in black color, then after cleaning it, the petrol, diesel, then kerosene and other gases like LPG gas, HP gas, that will be produced by this liquid. In this way the petrol will made. Now find out and discuss which state of India have oil fields. See, following states in India have oil fields like Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Oil means we saw in last picture that petroleum. Now second question is, beside oil, what else is found deep inside the earth? So instead of beside the oil, what other things we can found in deep in the earth's core, that is beside the oil? Many minerals found deep inside the earth, like coal, iron, copper, bauxite, gold. These things can found. Find out the traffic rules and discuss them in the class. There are lots of traffic rules, no, like stop at red signal, wait at yellow signal, go on a green signal. You should follow the other traffic rule also. mm, Walk at the left side of the road, like this. You should We should use petrol diesel judiciously. Think why? Because it takes millions of years to form petroleum, and the speed with which we are using petrol and diesel is more the speed of its formation. Means the we are using the petrol and diesel very speedily, but as to compare to the formation of this diesel and petrol, no, we are using lots of petrol and diesel.